enjoying a ride in the mountains. And you know, the thing about these machines is they're amazing to get around, but they're really loud. And we go riding, we put our headsets on, and these will knock about 25 decibels off the engine noise, and really makes a big difference. It's so much that, like, when we take these things off and go riding afterwards, it's like, oh my gosh, I can't believe that we can, like, endure that noise. They make that big of a difference. You can hear when I stop talking, mic shuts off. So, I mean, it's a really great experience, and it means so that we can enjoy the conversation. Especially on a 4-seater, you get some people in the back. It's great. So, big improvement. What this system is our UTV COM stereo headsets, and we have the COMsole installed in here. So you see in the COMsole, it's inside of an enclosed unit that fits over your rear view mirror. This is a universal fit. Our intercom's got the 4 independent volume controls, the only one that's got that. You got the play, pause, skip for your music, so you keep your phone in your pocket, and then your Vox adjustments so that you can get the ambient noise dialed in great, and then you have a 2-way radio so that you can talk to people in other machines. Comes with LED lights. Pretty slick little setup, and if you switch machines in a few years, you can pop this thing out and it's going to work in your next machine.
This is one of the prettiest stretches of this trail. I love it. All these trees. I also love, like Dustin was talking about, with these headsets, with the intercom, that I can tell you that without having to yell.